Example 7, 8, and 10. Hi everybody, welcome to Peter Science Academy. Okay, number 7. That means they're asking you about, a is expressed by pi r squared, right? Or a is a function of r, but they want to change this. A should be expressed by c, circumference c. That's what we call it transform. Once you go to college, the professor always say transform kind of things, okay? So we have to change r is replaced by c, so c is 2 pi r, so r is c over 2 pi, right? Simply plug in there, a is pi r square right there, so c square over 2 pi square is c square over 4 pi a square, so cancel out, a is c square over 4 pi. Okay, number 8 is a little tricky things. But once you read it a couple of times, you fully understand. Okay, ratio is the distance divided by time, right? So distance is m. What is the time elapsed? I mean net. So she came earlier, 30 minutes earlier, so half hour minus half hour. So m divided by h minus half. So once you adjust this one, then m is 2 times 2h minus 1, and then another way, 2m over 2h minus 1. Okay, number 10. Number 10 is what is average of this one. Okay, so average of this one you find out divide by 3, right? So from here we're gonna split this one. Quotient is 3 to 30 power divided by 3 is this part plus right there. This part is this part is this plus. So 3 to 3rd power divided by 1 right there. Invisible 1 right there, invisible 1 right there, invisible 1 right there. So 30 minus 1 is 29 plus 60 minus 1 is 59. 90 minus 1 is 89. Okay, very simple things, but they're trying to get you understand about the exponential law, property of exponential. So making sure you fully understand the exponential law. Okay, second thing is example. Okay, right triangle, hypotenuse for this one height to what is the angle this? Okay. So you have to use this one for the trigonometry. Okay, why you have to use it? Because once you're in college, they're going to use it in business class and economic class. You have to use the trigonometry and calculus. This is a part of calculus. So to find out this, you have to use a sine drawing, right? So sine, first part under, this automatically upstairs. Sine x regarding to this angle is, once you simplify this, 2 over 4, 1.5. Okay, sine value of what degree is, value is 1.5. So you remember reference angle, x is 30 degrees. So this is going to be a 30 degree. Okay? Same as, okay, base is 3, height 4, hypotenuse 3D plus D, right? So we're going to use Pythagorean theorem. So 3 square plus 4 square equal this length square. This length is 3D plus D, right? Square. This one is 4D square is 16D square. This one is 9 plus 16 is 25. So we're looking for D. So divide by each side 16. So D squared is 25 over 16. D is 5 over 4. Okay. Or I strongly recommend this one. From here move this over there. So D squared minus 25 over 16 is 0. So we have to factor in this. D plus 5 over 4 times D minus 5 over 4 equals 0. So D is minus 5 over 4 and or 5 over 4. But we're dealing with the length. D is the length. We don't use the minus length. So this is more reasonable. So that's why D is 5 over 4. Same as we have the same answer. Why do I recommend this one? Because even in college, using calculus, we also use a minus value a lot too. We're going to use a plus, we're going to use a minus, but you have to be familiar with this. Have to be familiar. That's why I'm introducing this to you. Okay. Okay. This time I'm going to. Okay. 이 convolve, involve. 이 volve의 뜻은 롤이라는 뜻이에요. 롤. 이렇게 막 이렇게 롤 굴러간 데도 있고 이렇게 막 롤 됐으니까 막 엉켜 있는 것도 롤이라고 그래요. 그래서 몰보가 여기서 이 몰보의 뜻도 여기서 움직인다, 롤한다, 자동차라는 뜻이에요. 그래서 컨벌브 그럼 이렇게 막 이렇게 굉장히 많이 섞여 있는 거. 예를 들고 실이 막 엉켜 있는 것도 컨벌브. 근데 여러분이 뭐에 개입됐다, involve 그런 뜻입니다. 이걸 왜 쓰냐면 여러분이 이제 캘큘러스에 convolution이라는 말이 나와요. convolution. 그 이제 어떤 function, two function is convolved. 그렇게 돼 있을 때, okay, later. revolve, 이렇게 revolve, 다시 돈다. revolution, revolve. 그다음 evolution, 다시 돈다, 변화한다, 혁명한다 그런 뜻이겠죠. Okay, instead of this, I have a little bit time. Let me, this is very important things. Okay, the Korean student who living in United States has a green card or they are qualified for the scholarship, make sure you prepare, well prepared, take a SAT, PSAT. Make sure PSAT just one time. I recommend it 10th grade or 9th grade is fine. Make sure take it just once. You are not ready 11th grade, take a PSAT just once, get a good score. Then you can apply for scholarship together with a good grade of AP. Even though you got a perfect score in SAT, your AP grade is too low or poor, then they don't give a scholarship. AP is more important than SAT. SAT is a very simple question. SAT is for just average student. But you are working hard, study hard student. SAT is very simple. And then AP is more important. AP is kind of your touching stone of the how hard you study. Okay. 그렇지만은 지금부터 한국에서 유학 온 학생들은 한국에서는 이거 중학교 2학년, 3학년 산수예요. 그렇지만 이게 미국에서는 졸업 SAT 대학 가는 그 시험이에요. 그렇지만 한국에서 공부 열심히 하는 학생은 I think 여러분들이 SAT 그 산수문제 읽어보고 언더스탠딩 했으면은 미국 가서 고등학교 때 와가지고 AP, 그러니까 AP는 뭐냐, 사이언스하고 케미스트리를 하면서 여러분이 캘큘러스를 하게 되면, 캘큘러스 굉장히 여기 미국은 재밌고 쉽게 가르쳐요. 그리고 한국처럼 그렇게 어려운 캘큘러스는 안 해요. 한국의 캘큘러스는 수능 시험은 왜 어려우냐면, 여러분이 생각하는 것이 대학에 꼭 들어갈 직장이 좋은 직장, 명문 대학을 나와야지만 직장이 있다고 그러는데, 그건 That's old history. 옛날 말이고 이제는 그렇지가 않아요. 여러분이 뭘 공부하고 얼마큼 실력이 많이 있느냐에 따라서 직장이 결정이 되는 거예요. 더구나 미국도 그래요. 그러니까 미국에서 이 캘큘러스, 이 사이언스를 하는 건 뭐냐면은 이 사이언스 하는 거는 이 우리가 그 캘큘러스의 베이직하고 임포턴트한 그걸 공부하면서 여러분이 더 많이 공부하고 싶은 수학에 관심 있으면 수학을 더 깊이 들어가는 거, 사이언스 더 깊이 들어가. 그때 이제 여러분이 더 공부를 많이 하게 되는 거예요. 그래서 이 미국의 그 에듀케이션 시스템이 아주 잘 돼 있어요. 한국처럼 그렇게 입학하기 위해서 어려운 산수가 아니에요. 그거는 수학자가 되기 위한 산수지 어려운 산수가 아니에요. 그거는 미국 학생들도 못 풀어요. 그건 필요도 없는 거고. Okay? That's what it is. Okay. Thank you.